Highest point of Africa is Mount Everest, Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount McKinley, Ellsworth Mountain. Mount Everest in Asia. Mount McKinley is the highest peak of North America. The answer is D. Mount Kilimanjaro. It is actually a dormant volcano, and it is the highest peak of Eastern Hemisphere, and it is actually located in the country that name is Tanzania. And this Kilimanjaro mountain is famous for coffee production. See, this is the Mount Kilimanjaro, 5,895 meter, and see there is a two very important island, Pemba Island and Zanjibira Island. See, there's this one. There is, and that is the Tanganyika Lake. This is the second deepest lake in the world. Tanganyika Lake is the second deepest lake in the world. And which one is the deepest in the world lake in the world? And that is Baikal of Russia. And Tanganyika is the second deepest lake in the world. So answer is B. Which of the following mountain owe their present form due to erosion by different energies? Fold mountain, block mountain, volcanic mountain, dissected mountain. The answer is dissected mountain is the correct. Which of the following mountain range formed on Tethys Ocean and also called the Tethys Sea or Neo Tethys? Himalayan mountain, Aravalli mountain, Hindu Kush mountain, Nilgiri mountain. The answer is A. Himalayan mountain. See this. This is the block. It is known as the Eurasian block, and second one is there's the Indo-Australian plate. This is a plate, that is a plate tectonic. This is the Eurasian plate and this is Indo-Australian. Both these plates are moved towards each other, and here is ocean that is known as Tethys. Due to continuous collision or movement towards each other, these two plates collide with each other. What happened? Whatever the sediments are here are starting moving upward, and due to this, on the Indian side, the Himalayan mountain is formed. On the Chinese side, that is mountain known as Kunlun, and that is the middle part which is known as the plateau, Tibetan plateau. Okay, this is the way how the Himalaya is found, because the collision of the two plates, Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian. Which of the following is the highest peak in South? Anaimudi, Doda Beta, Amarkantak, Mahendragiri. The answer is A. Anaimudi. Doda Beta, it is located in which hills? In Annamalai Hills, on the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and its height is 2,695 meter. It is the highest peak of South India. See the map. This is the Annamalai Hills. This is the Anaimudi peak, which is the highest peak of South India. This is Nilgiri, where we found Doda Beta. It is the second highest peak of South India, and that is the Cardamom Hills. Okay, that is the Palani Hills. These are the picture of the southern mountain hills, and all these are the part of the Western Ghat. Himalaya are formed of parallel fold ranges, among them which is the oldest, and the Shivalik, Lesser Himalaya, Great Himalaya Range, Dhauladhar Himalaya. The answer is Great Himalaya Range. If you just see the map of India, this is Jammu Kashmir. I make in a very short. So that is the Greater Himalaya, that is the Middle Himalaya, and that is the Shivalik, and that is the Greater Himalaya. So what are the other important characteristics of Greater Himalaya? That its the average height is 6,000 meter, and it started from the Nanga Parvat, and its height is near about 8,126 meter from to Namcha Barwa, and its height is 7,756 meter. So from Nanga Parvat to Namcha Barwa, the Great Himalaya region is found, and the important characteristic we have found large number of glacier Gangotri, Yamunotri, from where the Ganga river and it also the highest peak of the world, that is known as Mount Everest. A part of them, the highest peak of Himalaya in India in Kanchenjunga, is also found in this Himalayan range. Which of the following option has the correct sequence of mountain ranges from north to south in India? Jaskar, Karakoram, Ladakh, Shivalik, Ladakh, Karakoram, Shivalik, Jaskar, Karakoram, Jaskar, Ladakh, Shivalik, Jaskar, Karakoram, Ladakh, Jaskar, Shivalik. Let's see the map. This is a part of Jammu Kashmir. This is the first range, that is Karakoram. The highest peak of India, K2, is located here. That is known as also the Godin Austin. After that, that is the Ladakh. After that, that is Jaskar. And last, that is the Shivalik. Now see in the atlas. See, that is the Karakoram range. After that is the Ladakh. This one is the Ladakh. That is the Jaskar. After that, that is the Shivalik. So sequence is that Karakoram, Ladakh, Jaskar, Shivalik. Fourth answer is the correct. The highest peak of Satpura range, Dhupgarh, Kalsubai, Dodabeta, Anamodi. And the answer is Dhupgarh. This is the Satpura range. You can see that is the Satpura range. Yes, that is the Satpura range. And where is the Dhupgarh? This is the Dhupgarh, which is the highest peak of Satpura range, 1350 meter. Here see that is the Mahadev Hills. Okay, and that is the Vindhyachal. Which is the second highest mountain peak in the world? Nanda Devi, Mount Alps, K2, Godin Austin, or Kanchenjunga? The answer is K2, Godin Austin. Kanchenjunga is in Himalaya. Okay, Mount Alps in Europe, and Nanda Devi is in Uttarakhand. The answer is K2. See the map of India. This is K2, 8611. It is in Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and here say that is the Siachen Glacier. Here found, which is the highest battlefield in the world. That is the Ramo Glacier. This is the Baltoro Glacier. All are these famous glacier is actually found on Karakoram range. The Pamir Knot is the junction of 5 mountain ranges. Which of the following are not? 1. Kulunun Mountain, Jagros Mountain, Karakoram Mountain, Kirthar Mountain, Hindu Kush Mountain. And which one is the correct answer? See the map. See the map. That is the Pamir Knot. Now, Hindu Kush Mountain is there. Sulman Mountain is there. Karakoram Mountain is there. Kulunun Mountain in Tianshan Mountain is there. Well, one name is the Jagros Mountain, which is found in here. That is in Iraq. It means Jagros Mountain is not the part of the Pamir Knot. Now, second word, the Kirthar, it is in Pakistan. It is also not the part of that knot. The answer of this question is 2 and 4. Jagros in Iraq, and it is in Pakistan. Both are not the part from the knot. So, Kulunun Mountain, that is in China. Okay, Karakoram, it is in Pak occupied Kashmir, and Hindu Kush Parvat is in Pakistan, Afghanistan. Okay, this answer is the. Arrange the following mountain ranges in north to south: Himalayan, Altanshan, Altai Mountain, Kulun Mountain, Tianshan. Select the correct sequence option of this code. Let's see the map. See the sequence. First is, which one is there? That is the Gobi Desert. The first one, there are a number of options: Himalaya, Altun, Altai, and Kulun. So see that is the Altai first. Second is Tianshan, Altun, Kulunun, Himalaya. This is the sequence. Altai. This is Altai, Tianshan, Altun, Kulunun, and Himalaya. If you see the sequence, which one? First one is the Altai mountain. Now we have to write here. First one is the Altai. Then after Tianshan, then Altun, then Kululun. All these are in China. All these mountain ranges in China, and after that Himalaya. So which sequence is the correct? D is the correct. Which of the following mountain is not only the continent highest point but also the highest evolution in the Western Hemisphere? Western Hemisphere means if you see this Earth, it has two hemisphere, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. When we join North Pole to South Pole, that it is the Western Hemisphere. Which is the highest point of this Western Hemisphere? There is the two highest, Mount McKinley of North America and Aconcagua of South America. Mount McKinley, Aconcagua, Cotopaxi, and Chimborazo. All these fours are there. Mount McKinley is North America. It is the highest point of the Rocky. Chimborazo is the highest point of the Ecuador. Cotopaxi is the one of the most highest active volcano of the Earth. It is also an Ecuador. The answer is Aconcagua. Aconcagua is in Argentina, and its height is 6,960 meter. This is Aconcagua. That is the Andes mountain. That is the longest mountain in the mountain range in the world. Himalaya is the highest mountain range in the world, and Andes is the longest mountain range in the world. And Aconcagua is located in which country? That country name is Argentina. Andes mountain are the longest continent mountain range in the world. It extends to which of the following South American country? Brazil, Argentina, Ecuador, Venezuela. 1 and 2 only, 3 and 4 only, 1, 2, 4 only, 2, 3, 4 only. The answer is 2, 3, 4 means Argentina, Ecuador and Venezuela. The extent of this Andes mountain is not found in Brazil. Andes mountain actually found in the 7 countries of the South America. That it starts from Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile and Argentina. Then this it is the longest mountain range of world and found in 7 countries of. Which of the following country are the part of the Alps mountain? Alps mountain in Europe. Austria, France, Germany, Monaco, Spain. Answer 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer of this question is 1, 2, 3, 4. Austria, France, Germany, Monaco. It means answer B is the correct. This is the Alps mountain, and Mount Blanc is the highest peak of this Alps mountain. The country where it is located actually say Slovenia, this one, Austria, Germany, Switzerland, France and Monaco, this one. These are the countries where the Alps is found. In Italy there is no presence of Alps, so you have to remember it is found in Slovenia, Austria, Germany, Switzerland, France and Monaco are the. Consider the following pair peak country: Mount Elbrus, Italy; Mount Blanc, Russia; Mount Kilimanjaro, Ethiopia. Which of the part given above is incorrectly matched? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All of these answers are incorrect because Mount Elbrus is located actually in Russia. If you think it is located in Russia, Mount, and its height is 5,642 meter. Then Mount Blanc, it is actually located in the different country, France, Italy, and but most of this part in Switzerland. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak of South Africa, not only, you can say the Africa, and its highest peak is located in the country named Tanzania, and its height is nearby of 5,895. It means all of the 3 answers are incorrect regarding this answer. So A is the tallest mountain in the world measured from base to peaks? Mount Everest, Mauna Kea, Mount Kilimanjaro and Denali. The answer is Mauna Kea is the correct answer. The actual height of Mount Kea is 4,207 meter, but when you take from the bottom of from underground water part of it where it is located, it is 9,300 meter, and it is found in Hawaii. island of USA where Mount Kia is found, and it may be believed that it is the tallest mountain peak in the world. But if you take from the sea level, its height is just 4,207. But if you take the under part of its where it is look starts from base, it is 9,330. Highest point of Australia is Mount Everest, Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount McKinley, and Cosco. The answer is Mount Cosco. It is in New South Wales of Australia, and its height is 2,228 meter. Mount Everest in Asia, actually in Nepal. Kilimanjaro is the highest peak of Africa. It is in Tanzania. Mount McKinley is the highest peak of North America. It is in Alaska. Himalayan are the formed of parallel fold ranges, among them which is the oldest range? Shivalik range, Lesser Himalaya, Great Himalayan range, the Dhauladhar range. The answer is the Great. The other name of Western Ghat range: Sahyadri, Coromandel, Nilgiri, and Vindhyachal. Answer is A, Sahyadri. This is the Western Ghat, and it is also known as the Sahyadri. This is Nilgiri, that is Annamalai. Anaimudi is the highest peak of that Western Ghat side, that is the Cardamom Hills, and that is Shivari Hills. Arakan Yoma is the extension of Himalaya located in Kashmir, Nepal, Balochistan, and Myanmar. The answer is D. This is Myanmar country, and that is the Arakan Yoma. It is actually the part of the Himalayan region. Mountain that separate Asia from the Mount of Tibet, Ural Mountain, Cascades Mountain, Mountain of Indonesia. The answer is B, Ural Mountain. This is Ural Mountain, that is the Asia part, and that is the Europe. And the Europe is separated from Asia through the Ural. Continent is the Alps mountain to be located Europe, North America, South America, and Asia. The answer is A, Europe. That is the Alps. The highest peak of Alps is the Mont Blanc. It is located in Monaco, France, Germany, Switzerland, Slovenia, and Austria. These are the 7 countries where it is located, and the highest peak is Mont Blanc, and it is actually located in the most of its Mont Blanc is located in the Switzerland. State the Mekal range is located Aligarh. It is not state, it is a city. Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, and Punjab. The answer B is Chhattisgarh. That is the Mekal, and this is the Chhattisgarh, and that is the Mahadev Hills. So the highest, most of its range is located in here in Chhattisgarh state. The longest mountain range in the world: Aconcagua, Andes, Rocky Mountain, Himalayan Mountain. The answer B, Andes Mountain. Andes Mountain actually started from the here Venezuela, then Colombia, Ecuador, Chile, Bolivia plateau, that is the whole of Chile, and Argentina. 7 countries of the South America come under where the Andes is located. The answer of this question is B, Andes Mountain. Which mountain range or ranges is the Kulu Valley located? Dhauladhar, Pir Panjal, Kalibang, Chest, and Neer Ajad. None of this. The answer is A, Dhauladhar, Pir Panjal. Which is the highest mountain peak in Peninsular Anaimudi, Kamat, Nanda Devi, and Nanga? All these 3 in the Himalayan region. The answer is clear, A, Anaimudi. This is Annamalai Hills, and that is the Anaimudi 2695 meter. It is the highest peak of the South India or Peninsular India or Sahyadri.